Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change paper trading leverage in the TradingView. So in this one, we have 5 steps. So let's start with the first one, which is adjusting risk in simulation. So in this one, it requires a connected paper trading account. So in leverage is a setting within the paper trading account itself, not a per trade option. So in this one, you must edit the account settings to change it. So you just have to ensure that you're logged into the paper trading account via the trading panel. Next is to open the trading panel. So at the bottom of the chart screen, look for the trading panel tab and click it to expand the menu. So if you haven't connected yet, you have to select the paper trading, the broker, and click connect, and then your balance and open positions will be shown in there. Next up is to click the settings icon. So in the trading panel, you just have to find the settings or the 3 dots menu icon next to the paper trading account name. So this menu opens account management options, which include editing the initial balance and crucially, the leverage settings. So next is select edit account settings. So from the menu that pops up, select the option that labeled reset account or edit account settings. So just a note that you may need to reset the account to change leverage, which will clear all previous trades and then the balance as well. Now lastly is to set the leverage value. So find the leverage field and then enter your desired multiplier, like for example, 50 for 50 and 1. And then click apply or save. So after that, your paper trading account is now configured with the new leverage. So this will affect all the future trades. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.